very disappointed, but I don't think this is going to work, guys. Definitely not working. Fucking A. Didn't work. What the hell did I even make there? That looks like shit. What happened to the tree? This method I use is from the 70s. It's called the sidetracked home executive cleaning method. It was done by 2,000 housewives. I think done by 2 housewives. I think they were sisters. Gotcha. I don't know where I got 2,000 housewives. It's fine. Man, that's so much clay wasted. What am I going to do with it? Yep. Oh, yeah. There's no fixing it. No fixing it. You kind of like it? What if I do it this way? This way. Don't get me started with her, yeah. Prava's an evil bitch. I mean, it's abstract art, right? Abstract art clay. That's what we're going with. I don't know what to do with it. This is fucking mess. So much wasted clay. Walk away from and come back later with fresh eyes. Yeah, true. I do like the way these kind of mix up. I don't know what I do with it, but yeah.